So good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video we will talk about what is a capacitor. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. What is a capacitor? Capacitor device for storing electrical energy consisting of two conductors in close proximity and insulated from each other. A simple example of such as a storage device is called the parallel plate capacitor. If positive charges with total charge plus Q are deposited on one of the conductors and an equal amount of negative charge or negative Q is deposited on the second conductor, the capacitor is said to have a charge Q. Capacitors have many important applications. They are used, for example, in digital circuits so that information stored in large computer memories is not lost during momentarily electric power failure. The electric energy stored in such capacitors maintains the information during the temporary loss of power. Capacitors play an even more important roles as filters to divert spurious electric signals and thereby prevent damage to sensitive components and circuits caused by electric surges. Okay guys, so this is the end of my presentation brought to you by Britannica Encyclopedia, the definition and applications of a capacitor. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.